student, today we are going to see Maths of Standard 5th from Term 2. The unit we are going to discuss is Interconcept, that is Unit 5. In this unit, let us see the speed, time and distance. Come, let us move to the video session.
Unit 5 Interconcept. In this unit, let us see speed, time, and distance. Let us know the three important things speed, distance, and time. We all know what is meant by speed. Speed is nothing but if you are chasing a bike, if you are chasing something, we will run fast, isn't it? That is called as speed. We all know what is meant by distance because in the corona time we know what is meant by social distancing. We are maintaining some distance. Time. Whenever the time is going, we must know the time is so precious. We will calculate the time and we will do our work. The same thing here also we are going to see in this chapter. Let us see the formulas. Speed equal to distance by time. Distance equal to speed into time. Time equal to distance by speed. Children, for example, I'll tell you one thing. From your house, you're coming to the school. You will notice the distance and the kilometers. The same like in the speed, we have to calculate the kilometers. Let us know what is kilometer. Kilometer we already studied in the term 1. Yes, in the last session also we have studied what is meant by kilometer in the measurement chapter. That is 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. We already know 100 centimeter equal to 1 meter. Yes. Then half kilometer equal to 500 meter. We have to calculate in that. That is 3 by 4th equal to 750 meter. 1 by 4 kilometer equal to 250 meter. The same thing they are given in a bigger number, that is 2 kilometer 500 meter. That is 500 means we have given in the right hand side. See that and tell me. 2 kilometer 500 meter equal to 2.5 kilometer. 1 kilometer 250 meter, that is 1 by 4 kilometer. 7 kilometer 750 meter, that is 3 by 4 kilometer. 8 kilometer 500 meter equal to 8.5 kilometer. We have already know 250, 750, 500, 1000. That we have to change it in this direction. 250, 500, 750, 1000. That is belongs to the kilometer. If Sabari walked 5 hours at the speed of 5 km per hour, then how much did he cover? That we have to calculate the distance. Distance equal to, we already know, speed into time. How many hours he had traveled? 5 hours. How many speed? That is speed of 5 km. Then we have to multiply 5 into 5. 5 5s are 25. Very good. The distance covered by Sabari is 25 km. Raman reached 195 km at the speed of 65 km per hour. How much time did he travel? Now they are asking time. So what is the formula for time? Time equal to distance by speed. What is the distance they have traveled? That is 195 km. What is the speed they have traveled? That is 65. If we divide 63 by 195, you will get the answer 3. That is, the Raman traveled 3 hours for the speed. The time we are calculating is 3 hours. That the Raman traveled 3 hours. Akbar spent rupees 4 per kilometer for a trip and he travelled 115 kilometer in that trip. How much is the total cost of the trip? Let us see. Cost per kilometer is rupees 4. For per kilometer, that is for 1 kilometer, is spending rupees 4 rupees. Cost for 115 kilometer. We already know distance equal to speed into time. Let us see 115 into rupees 4. So, what we have to calculate? Yes, we have to multiply 115 into 4. We will get the answer 460. So, what is the thing he has get? The amount spent by Akbar is rupees 460. Let us see time in fractions. We have already know what is meant by time. Yes, we all know how to see the time also. How many minutes equal to 1 hour? That is 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. Then what is meant by 15 minutes? That is 1 by 4 hour. 30 minutes equal to 1 by 2 hour. That is half an hour. 45 minutes equal to 3 by 4 hour. Then 60 minutes equal to 1 hour. Let us see how we got these minutes. 1 by 4 into 60. When we divide 60 by 4, we will get the answer 15 minutes. Then next one, 1 by 2 into 60. That is half an hour into 60. When we divide 2 by 60, we will get the answer 30 minutes. Third one, 3 by 4 into 60 equal to 180 by 4. That is when we calculate 4 by 180, we will get the answer 45 minutes. The next one, 1 into 60. That is 1 into 60 months. 60 ones are 60. So we get the answer 60 minutes. Let us see the conversion of minutes. First one, 2 hours, that is 2 into 60 equal to 120 minutes. We have already know 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. So we can calculate 2 into 60 equal to 120 minutes. Second one, 3 hours 20 minutes. That means 3 into 60 equal to 180 plus 20 is equal to 200 minutes. Third one, 4 hours equal to, what is the minutes? 4 hour. 4 into 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. 4 into 60, you will get the answer 240 minutes. 240 minutes. Last one, 5 hour 15 minutes. That means 5 into 60 plus 15 minutes. You will get, when we calculate 60 into 5 are 300 plus 15 equal to 315 minutes. Next Roman letter, let us see convert into hours. First we have seen convert into minutes. Now we are going to see convert into hours. They have given in the minutes. 42 minutes. That means 42 into 1 by 60. We are going to divide. So 42 ones are 42 by 60. So when we calculate 42 divided by 7, we will get the answer. We have already know all the tables, isn't that? Is the same like we can do with the 6 table. 6 sevens are 42, 6 tens are 60. So the answer is 7 by 10 hours. Next one, 55 minutes. That is 55 into 1 by 60. That equal to 55 ones are 55 by 60. So we can go with the 5 table. That is 5 11s are 55, 5 12s are 60. So the answer is 11 by 12 hours. Children, for a daily life we need a money. So let us see about the currencies. The currencies is in the type of note, but there is also a coins are there. Let us see one by one. Let us see first for rupees 100. We have already know first 25, 50, 75 and 100. The same procedure only we are going to see. Let us see how to split 100 with the terms of everything. That is 1 by 4 part of 100, that is quarter part of 100 is 25 rupees. Half part of 100 is rupees 50. That is half part of 100 is rupees 50. 3 part of 100 is 75 rupees. 1 part of 100 is, that is full part of 100 is rupees 100. Let us see for 2000 rupees. The same like which we have seen for rupees 100. That is quarter part of rupees 2000 is rupees 500. Half part of rupees 2000 is 1000 rupees. 3 quarter part of rupees 2000 is rupees 1500. That is full part of rupees 2000 is rupees 2000. Is we have to calculate by 500. 500, 1000, 1500, 2000. Let us see for rupees 1. Quarter part of rupees 1 is 25 pice. Half part of rupees 1 equal to 50 pice. 3 quarter part of rupees 1 equal to 75 pice. Full part of rupees 1 equal to, that is 100 pice. The same procedure will be followed for each and every currencies. This is a small activity. Students, let's try in your home. The distance between the planet and the sun. We have already given what is the distance between planets and the sun. We have already know what are the planets. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. The distance is given in the right side. Is you have to answer the question for the given table. The distance between the Earth and the Sun. You already know what is the distance between Earth and the Sun. Which is there? It is in the third column. You have to fill it and write it in your notebook. Next one. Distance are given below from Chennai to Kanyakumari. That is, we have already given the kilometer. You have to find out the kilometers from the following tabular column and answer the questions. Let us try in your home and do it in your notebook. I hope you all understood about the chapter of Unit 5 Interconcept. Thank you, students.